Go.
So we decided to take a booking, no? Last minute booking as usual.
This is
To
the
a resort
fisherman. The
on the
fisherman's
other.
wharf. This was the car behind us, no?
Saan?
This one.
Hindi man?
Di ba yung nag-cross kanina?
I'm not sure.
That was it. That was
Okay,
it. I
guide din siya.
remember.
Tingin.
I remember. Guide sa atin.
Gaya, no? Some originality.
Fisherman's Wharf.
Okay. So, saan tayo?
Turn left,
left.
then turn left.
Turn left. Then...
Oh, nako. Turn left.
Then doon kong turn left. Sa road next. Here.
Turn left.
Here.
Okay.
Right. Careful. Okay. Then,
Parang bumalik tayo, no?
In 200 meters, turn right.
200 meters turn right. So just straight ahead. Blind curve to ba? Straight ba, no?
Oh,
Here, no?
straight
Oh, careful na. Puro siya, ano? One way yan talaga sila, no? You just have the mirror to guide very slowly na. We came here man, di ba? This is the way we came.
Then,
Tapos labas tayo sa
turn right.
highway.
Sa unahan, sa highway.
Saan tayo pumasok?
No, paakyat mo, right to?
We're going up. Doon sa dulo tayo ng island eh.
At the stop sign,
EK
turn
Island.
right.
Ito. Oops, steep climb up. Careful. Oops. Okay. Oops. Car here. Okay, kagariyo na. Mait naman ang mga sasakyan dito.
Hindi, no choice yan. Pasok tayo. Hindi makapasok.
Continue for
Ah, pinauna mo siya. Sabi niya, pinauna ka to. Ito.
Hindi, nauna tayo eh.
Ah, okay.
First, that's the...
Okay, straight.
Yung sino nauna should be the...
1.5 kilometers, so straight.
Power line, so grabe.
Sumunod sa atin.
Kala mo nagkasunod natin.
Grabe sila pa, oh. Oh, tama, that's simple farm road. May drainage sila, oh. Kahit na ano siya ba, kahit na plantation may
Ano
drainage.
pamintong color na sa likod nila eh.
Ano may, parang sorghum. Hedge. Ano niya yung hedge? Ah, gumawa siya ng hedge. Temporary hedge. Then let's leave it like that. Oh, kita may drainage. Farm road pero may drainage. Di ba? Ah!
Grabe poste oh.
Hedge ang ginawa nilang ano, galing. Gumawa sila ng barrier na hedge between roads. Galing.
Hindi natin
Very concerned sa safety ba? Hindi na, mukhang yan na yan.
there's something tayo.
Parang rose bushes nga to. So flowery siya pag ano. Baka yung hotel ang gumawa nito. Para magandang welcome to this ano, there.
Si ko nagawa niya,
Sorry.
Mr. Miyagi. Exercise.
Mr. Miyagi's dead. Okay, right.
Right, no?
Ito complex nga talaga nila to. AJ
Ay,
Hotel.
design, no?
Ang galing, no? Okay. So this is AJ Hotel. It's a big complex of hotels. It's just like our Ana.
Uy, din pala siya, no? Nice na.
Ang hotels na malalaki eh. Big
In 200
complex
meters,
yung
you will arrive at your destination.
po. Okay po.
Buti na. Yung one room nila, puro atik-atik din yan. Parang sa...
Classroom.
Classroom.
Pero kasi marami silang different kinds of rooms. Tingnan to, unmanned yung kanilang mga ano, no? Okay, straight ahead.
Ito na yung parking nila. Masok Dali sa parking.
Doon nearest sa
Doon
door
yung malapit
siguro.
lang.
Ha? Ganda ng complex
Hindi
nila.
na
Ang laki, ah.
accommodation eh. I doubt na the only room left.
Hindi, may mga bedrooms na more expensive.
Market tayo dun ba?
You have arrived.
Bukagod kagad kasi last room na lang. Okay, we have arrived.